Hello guys, so welcome to our YouTube channel. So far we have covered 30 matching problems in our previous 3 videos, part 1, part 2 and part 3. This is the part 4th. So in this video we will see some more matching problems. So this is the 31st matching problem. So match the phase transformation in column first with the corresponding reactions in column second. So these alpha, beta, gamma are for solid phases and L, L1, L2 are the liquid phases. So this peritactic reaction for L plus alpha gives beta, that is P4, and monotactic, that is for L1 gives L2 plus alpha. Etactoid is for gamma gives alpha plus beta, and syntactic, that is L1 plus L2 gives alpha. So the right answer is A part, P4 Q3 R1 S2. This is the 32th matching problem. So match the ceramics in column first, these are the ceramics, with the corresponding application in column second. So this mullite used for refractories, spinel ferrites, soft magnets, tungsten carbide, that is the cutting tool, and barium titanate as a piezoelectric material. So the right answer is D part, that is P2, Q4, R1 and S3. 33. In this matching problem, match the sintering process in column first with the most suitable products in the column second. So solid state sintering, that is iron powder products, liquid phase sintering, mixture of copper and zinc powder products, spark plasma sintering for carbon nanotube products, and laser sintering for 3D printed products. So the right answer is D part, sorry, this B part, P3, Q2, R1 and S4. This is the 34th matching problem. So in this, match the forming processes, these are the forming processes with the corresponding names. So this is the process which matches with the deep drawing, like punch is there, this is the die, so this is the deep drawing process, and this is the extrusion process, this is the open die forging, and this is the rolling process. This is the sheet, these are the rollers, this is the sheet. So the right answer is P3, Q1, R4 and S2. This is 35th question. So in this, match the terms in column first with the unit processes in column second. So the submerged entry nozzle matches with continuous casting, electric heating generally found in Gadel furnace, raceway zone, that is blast furnace, and oxygen lancing, that's usually done in LD converter. So the right answer is D part, like fourth part, that is P2, Q1, R4 and S3. This is the 36th problem. In this, match the NDT techniques in column first with its underlying phenomena in column second. So this process: dye penetrating test, capillary action, radiography, that is for X-ray absorption, based on X-ray absorption, and eddy current test for electromagnetic induction, and ultrasonic inspection, that used by elastic wave reflection. So the right answer is B part, P2, Q1, R4, S3, that is second part, the right answer. This is the 37th problem. So in this, match the different transformations or reactions in column first with the most suitable information in column second. So the eutectoid reaction, one solid phase transformation into two solid phases, and martensitic transformation involves no diffusion, that is athermal or shear deformation. Shear mechanism also involves a thermal transformation and diffusionless. These are the all types which can associated with the martensitic transformation, and this precipitation reaction occurs in supersaturated solid solutions. So the right answer is C part, P3 Q1, P2 Q1 R3. This is the 38th problem. So in the context of scanning electron microscopy, that is SEM, match the information in the column first with the most appropriate information in column second. So the secondary electrons, that is for failure analysis of fractured surface. Backscattered electron, distinguishing chemically distinct phases. Characteristics X-rays, that is for chemical composition analysis. Diffracted backscattered electrons for crystallographic orientation of grains. So the right answer is B part, P2, Q4, R3 and S1. This is the 39th problem. In this, match the heat treatment processes given in column first with the most suitable outcomes in column second. So this P1 that matches with the hardness of the steel. Annealing, that is softens the cold worked steel. Tempering, that recovers the toughness of the steel, and carbonizing, that diffuses into the steel and makes the steel much harder, so that is hardness the surface of the steel. So this is the direct matching, that is P1, Q2, R3 and S4. So P1, Q2, R3, S4, C part is the right answer. This is the 40th problem. So match the component with the corresponding matching manufacturing processes in the table below. So this aluminium alloy piston for IC engine made by sand casting. Low carbon steel oil pens for made by deep drawing. Tungsten carbide cutting tool insert made by the powder metallurgy, and plastic bottles by blow molding. So the right answer is B part, P3, Q4, R2 and S1. So thank you for watching this fourth part of matching problems.